Integrating Authorize Net Accept hosted into your payment system is a straightforward process that enables you to securely accept payments from customers. To begin, you need to create an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. These credentials are essential for authenticating your requests to the Authorize Net platform. First, log in to the Authorize Net portal and navigate to the Settings section. Here, you will find the API login ID and transaction key. Copy these values and store them securely, as they will be used to configure the Accept hosted payment form. Next, you need to generate a client key, which is used to authenticate the payment form. This can be done by logging into the Authorize Net portal and navigating to the Settings section. The client key is typically found under the Security Settings or API Keys section. Now, you can configure the Accept hosted payment form by including the API login ID, transaction key, and client key in your payment request. The payment form will redirect the customer to a secure Authorize Net hosted page, where they can enter their payment information. When the customer submits their payment information, Authorize Net will handle the payment processing and return a response to your server. This response includes a token, which can be used to charge the customer's card. You can then use this token to create a payment transaction and complete the payment process. Best practices for integrating Authorize Net Accept hosted include using a secure connection to protect customer payment information and handling errors and exceptions properly. You should also test your payment form thoroughly to ensure it is working as expected. In summary, integrating Authorize Net Accept hosted involves creating an account, obtaining API credentials, generating a client key, configuring the payment form, and handling payment responses. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely accept payments from customers and provide a seamless payment experience.